Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UUU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Now, just to summarize today's price movement from, using trader jargon, this is what would be known as a gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap in case you're new or a beginner? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed down here, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a huge, very big gap up. Then the opening bell rang, and the price made a little bit of a move up here, and then this is where things get savage because there's a bunch of poor souls buying up around this area. And then from there, it was just basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap that took place, which now brings about some important areas of support. And let me just squeeze down the chart here to offer up perspective where you can see, it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. But on that note, as far as levels of support are concerned, the first key level to watch is just basically nothing fancy here other than where did this pull back, where did the bleeding finally stop? And that was there at 315. So that'll be the initial level to watch. If that level can't quite hold up, then you're going to want to turn your attention to the 50-period moving average down there. Keyword being moving, so that value is going to change around and move. And so right now, yes, it's valued at 245, but as Friday plays out and as that line moves, that value will change. So you'll just have to be a little bit more, interactive as a trader to keep in mind what the current value of that is. But that assumes that 315 falls. If the price stays above 315, then yeah, that purple line doesn't really carry too much significance. Now, in the event the price starts to bounce back up, where are some of these levels of resistance at? First key level going to be right there at the 365 mark. And then after 365, next key level up there around the $4 mark. But yeah, as of right now, things are looking pretty shaky, but we'll see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.